Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete files from Google Drive, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete your files from Google Drive, first open up your Google Drive, guys. By logging into your Drive account, and you'll be on this page on the home section of Google Drive. And on this interface, guys, you can see there is the My Drive option available for you just below the home. Click on My Drive, and all of your files and folders will be over here. Now, in order to delete your files on Google Drive, first I'll go to the location where your file is located, and you can see mine one over here. I have a lot of documents available for me, which I have to delete from the Google Drive. Now, in order to delete it, you can see there is the dumpster icon appearing whenever we click on any item, and you can see there are audios, there are some spreadsheets over here, and you can just click on the file which you want to delete, and if that click on the dumpster icon, or just right click on that option, and this option will appear where it says move to trash. Click on that move to trash, and that file will be available on the trash. Similarly with the audio and other types of documents as well as your pictures. And you can see it's I also have some Python coding available over here saved as project. And let's go to the trash, and you can see, guys, over here all of your deleted items will be available. Now, in order to permanently delete your files from your Google Drive, click on the empty trash button at the top right corner of the screen, and click on delete forever. And then after that, your files which you want to delete on Google Drive will be deleted. And there, guys, this is how to delete your files on Google Drive. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.